Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. How's everybody doing out there? If you're here either in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. It's a very important episode this morning, by the way. Morning, Shadow Hunter, Rhett, Futures Trading Today, Dave Cyrus, Riri, O'Keefe, Double G, Rhettberg, David, Maximus, Shady Lady, Rhett, Ken, Matthew, Futures Trading Today, Julius, Shaw, Midland Trader, JJ, Marine, Woody, SW, Chris, Charmads. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Astro Nerd. Good morning, Wiggly Wombat. Love your name. Good morning, Sadek. Good morning, Jose. We got two Jose's in the chat here. Scalper Room 101, Slothfather, Sean, Neil, Tradebird, Larry, Eric, Go SPVC, Ketty, Eric, Carl, hey Carl, Will, Abrasso, Kirk, What the Forex, Ease, Bob, Tony, Richard, Blaze, Third Bracket, Mr. Moon, Ease, For Five Snakes, Tame, Deviate, and NQ Rips. Good to see NQ Rips. Cayman Pa, NQ, no. Kanan, Janny, Marcello, DK, G-Lines, Daniel, Angel, Ease, Elliot, DK, Alejandro, Elliot, Joey. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Alex P, Tame, Brian, Mike, Martin, woo! Good morning, Fun, Sunrise Driver, Boctor Moses, Dips, Jarek, S2, I guess, Johnny, Storm, Bernard, Mark, Oliver, Scott, I Love Leather, good to see you. You were in Dakota session last night. Nathan, Shane, good morning. Hey, Mikkel, Manis, good morning. So we have a very special episode today. We are celebrating 10,000 subs here on the YouTube channel. Very excited. Couldn't get there without anybody. All of your support is just incredible. I mean, I can't believe it. I'm still in shock that we actually hit 10,000 subs. I didn't think that it would happen as fast as it did. We've only really been streaming since September. So we're talking about 5 months of streaming here. Maybe even November. I got to go back and check, but we did it. We did it all together. It's insane. I can't believe it. 10,000. That's so many people. I'm so grateful. I'm in shock. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that decide to tune in and share your morning with me. It means the world to me, and I really do appreciate it. And I want to continue to grow the channel as we all learn together and we all improve our trading together. And I just look forward to our future together here for the channel. I feel like it's going to be a very bright future, and hopefully we can see more and more payouts going out for everybody out here, and just more and more alpha every single day. I'm very excited about it. Speaking of today, we do have some very interesting data coming out today. We do have the GDP price index. That's the second reading for Q4, the annualized second reading for Q4. And that's coming out in 27 short minutes from now. It's going to be incredible. And the PCE price index, the real PCE read is going to be tomorrow on Thursday, but the GDP read is going to be today. And I think I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to try a very particular strategy for this, and I'm going to set it up as we get closer to the bottom of the hour. I'm going to do this on a brand new fresh combine. I passed another 2 combines yesterday. I traded, so just a little recap of yesterday. If you're tuning in on Top Step TV, I was up $1,000 in my live account, and I ended up taking a long, I pretty much top ticked the market, right? I took a long at the top. I was looking for a breakout, and I just did not get out of the trade. It came very, very close back up to my entry, and I had a terrible read on the market. I'll just be honest with you. I had a terrible read on the market. I thought I had the markets just completely read dead to rights. And I just didn't. I just did not have a good read on the markets. And unfortunately, we didn't get the extension I was looking for. Let me show you over here. This is what I was looking for here. I was looking for a break above this area here because we have so much resting liquidity that is sitting up here. And, I had targets here, here, and here. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. I took a 5-lot trade in my live funded account, Top Step Live funded account. It just didn't work. And that's what happens with trading sometimes, but I stuck to my plan. I didn't go in and out and in and out and in and out. And, I think I got in here and it did, no, I didn't get in before that flush. Where's the market open? I got in right around here. It came back and then, so I got in right here. Like I said, almost top tick of the market there. Terrible, terrible entry. And got in right there and it pulled back and it came almost close to my entry and then it ended up stopping me out somewhere in this area here. So Whoop, that's SPX. Let's go back to the NQ here. So again, it's not the best trade I've ever taken, but it's certainly not the worst. But that's trading, folks. That's how it goes. And we're always transparent in here. So I took a $3,000 loss on my live account, which I can manage in that account. I have a balance in that account where I can take a $3,000 loss. I made $6,000 on Friday. I made $1,500 on Monday. Yesterday was a pullback in that streak that I was trying to put together. But that's trading, folks. We're putting on risk. We're not putting on a guarantee. And the thing is that the way that I trade is very much that I'm going to stick to my plan, right? So what I saw was a big refreshing of liquidity here, right here. And then we tried to break out of that level. We have a harsh rejection, draw of liquidity down here. Again, harsh rejection up here. But this was what I was thinking that would give us the liquidity to bust on through this level. So that's what I saw as that big draw of liquidity when we had that big flush of C2. I would have loved to be long down here. That would have been a much easier trade for me. But again, I was looking for a breakout trade, very specific trade that I was looking for. But unfortunately, that's called buying the top there, folks, right off the open, buying the top. But it's going to happen. I'm never going to shy away from my losses. I'm never going to shy away from how I trade. I'm going to always be real with everybody in here. And unfortunately, up $1,000, gave it all back and then a little bit more. So ended up being down $3,000 there on the day. So yeah, that was my trade, and I didn't trade my live for the rest of the day, but I did trade across, I think I had 7 combines that I made $2,000 or more, and then 2 combines where I hit max loss on those. So I got 2 combines across the line, and then another 5, pretty, they're up there, balances are good. But yeah, that's what I did after I hit my max loss. I just went in trading in my combines and just got some trading out of my system, and it was good. Only had 2 max losses on combines, and then another 7 just doing really, really well. So when will fire drill code come? You've only asked that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Only 5 times. If you asked you have to ask 17 times for me to give you the answer. So go ahead and copy and paste what you've been saying 17 more times, and then that's the magic number. That's how you get your question answered. Okay, so now we mute you. There you go. Goodbye. We'll see you later. Oh goodness. So anyway, the trade today that I'm going to set up is going to be an interesting one, and you'll see how I set that up here. And we'll get that closer as we get to the bottom of the hour. Now, all of the news today is heavily front-loaded, meaning that we are going to have most of the news coming out at 8:30 today. In fact, all of the news releases are coming out at 8:30. We have the Q4 Canadian data out at 8:30. The US Q4 GDP data out at 8:30. The advanced goods trades balance, the PCE price index, the preliminary wholesale inventories, and the retail inventories all out at 8:30 today, right? There we go. So amazing, right? We only have, for you energy traders out there that like to trade crude, we have the crude oil, gasoline, distillate inventories out from the Department of Energy. That's going to be very, very interesting. And then we have 3 Fed heads that are speaking today. It's going to be a lot of fun. Pet's heads are falling off already. So we have Bostic speaking today and Williams. Those are the 2 voters that are speaking today. Bostic's at noon. Williams is at 12:45 Eastern time. And then we have Susan Collins, who's not a voter, but she often has a lot to say. She's out of the Boston Fed. She's speaking at 12:15. So today is going to be basically noon on. We're going to see those Fed speakers coming up to the plate. And remember, you want to listen to Bostic, you want to listen to Williams, obviously Collins, but Bostic and Williams are the 2 voters today. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at there. So again, front loaded in the news today at 8:30. I'm going to set up a specific trade where I'm either gonna, I can get my face ripped off for $2,000 in a combine, or we're going to make some decent coin in that combine. Actually, I probably will risk, I'm probably going to set this up to be, I'm going to set up a very specific strategy for this right now, actually. So let's do this. Let's do 75 ticks, and I'm going to save this as a 75 tick. So yeah, I mean, this is a very wild strategy. I'm just going to try this just for this one print. And I will have that set up here in just a second. But yeah, this is the price action that we had overnight. I am curious, did anybody catch that price action overnight? Did anybody at all catch that price action overnight? Did anybody catch a short in here? Wow, look at that. Yes, Ellingson. Hey, good to see you, Ellingson. I saw you yesterday in Top Step TV. Hoop caught it. NQ rib shorted. Nice. Look at that. Very, very nice. 400 Express. Very nice. Let's look at the S&Ps too, because the S&Ps had a nice fade too. We chopped right below our level. We bounced up to 50.74 quarters, and we kind of rejected here. You know, what's interesting is that we have a lot of room to the downside here in the S&Ps. We have a lot of room in the NQ as well. And this just kind of looks like up here, like a very big failed auction above our level of 50.98.5. And then when we can't even get up to that level, we have this gap in liquidity right here. It's definitely concerning. You know, in hindsight, looks like the easiest short that you could ever take in your life. But yeah, if you saw it to the short side yesterday, you're definitely seeing the market in a good light. You're definitely reading the markets very, very well. Yeah, big head and shoulders indeed. WD went long. That's okay. Did you have a stop in place? That's my question, WD. Good morning, SO. So, good morning. O'Keefe made $50. It's $50 you didn't have yesterday. There you go. Caught it the wrong way. It's okay. As long as you're using stops, there you go. Don't ever trade without a stop. Don't ever trade without a stop. Rips, is that line just below the recent low extended naked point of control? I don't see it. Maybe on the S&Ps? Could be. Is that what we saw? Perhaps. Maybe. Show me. Nope, not seeing that. I'm sorry, I missed it. But the purple line is the point of control for the visible range volume profile there. Missed my sell order by 2 ticks last night. So frustrated. Hey, welcome to trading. It's going to happen. Don't get frustrated because you're going to carry that frustration in your trading there. Sleepyhead said, what's up, Ribs? You cool swap. You too. Right back at you. Right back at you. Naked is 18,007. Yeah, I'm up here, 13 and halves, you know. I'm right there. But yeah, I mean, this is looking like the market wants to roll, but you know, there's a good chance that we can gather some liquidity right down here. There's a very good chance of that we can just kind of skitter on down and then straight to the moon there. But conversely, you know, we can flush. We can flush very, very hard here. There's a lot of room to flush to the downside here. You know, if we're looking, you know, all the way, we got a lot of room. And if you're looking back even further, I mean, I'll just go to the hourly here. If we're looking back even further, it looks like this is kind of like a double top here. And now we're kind of coming back down. So if we're looking at the longer term thing, the next patch of liquidity that we'd like to get through is in this zone right here, you know, probably from this collar down to this collar here. And so, you know, we have to get through this whole mess of liquidity. This is where I'd expect if the market's going to flush today and we have kind of mixed data and it sells on that data and it's not super negative for the market. I could see us flushing down to this area and bouncing. So right around 850 or so, and then kind of bouncing up and then retesting this 18,018 level and seeing if we can have anything. But to me, it looks like we're just supplying a lot up here and we're getting a lot of shorts, a lot of short liquidity. We had the big boot scoot and rally up here. We've attempted this area 1, 2, 3 times, and now we might just kind of roll on over there. So we'll have to see how that kind of pans out. But, you know, anything can happen. We want to be looking at all scenarios in the market. We want to see, you know, all possibilities of it as a potential here for what we're looking at. So right now, if you were to ask me, you know, honestly, it's tough for this to read when we have that such a cavalcade of data that's coming out here. There's a very good chance that we could dip low and then send it super high. I mean, I could see this going either way right now. So you want to be open to all different scenarios here. Rips, what are your thoughts on GDP? Let me see if we have a preview right now. The consensus is 3.3, same read as the prior. Personal consumption 2.7, GDP price index 1.5. So we're looking at everything kind of staying in line. You know, it's interesting. If GDP came in strong, I could see the market trying to fade that a little bit. Although you could make the argument that, I don't know. So if GDP came in super hot, does that mean that the Fed is going to lower rates any quicker? I don't think so. And the market's really contingent upon we haven't gotten out of the weeds of this Fed hike cycle and this Fed tightening cycle. We haven't gotten out of the weeds of that. So I would say that if it comes in as an outlier, I think if it came in lower, you could argue that the market might spike on that because the DXY would fade on that, I would think. And then so if we have a weaker print, an outlier print to the weak side in GDP, I think the market could find a rally. And then if we had a hotter print, I could see the market begin to roll here. Alex says GDP is a non-event. Well, it's, we have a lot of prints that are coming out here. Marine, you're so funny. Do you copy trade on NinjaTrader? Yes, I use Replicanto. I'm not using it today, but I do use it from time to time. I think yesterday I did copy one trade and I was successful on that trade. Hey, Rips, I have 3 XFAs and I'm close to passing another combine. What happens when I pass? I pay and it just sits there without letting me trade it. Yes, correct. It won't actually show up in your account list once you blow an XFA. Well, hopefully you're not blowing XFAs, but let's just say you get your 3 XFAs and they transfer you over to a live. Well, that past combine that's been waiting in the wings that you've paid for is now going to be moved over to your next set of XFAs. Amazing, right? Coming across as a chipmunk on your feed there. Let's see. That's crazy. Maybe just try refreshing your feed there. Nice work there, Grateful Trader. Way to go, way to go. Does Replicano work with a Mac? It works with NinjaTrader, works with Tradovate. So if you're using Tradovate on a Mac, it should work perfectly. Audio all clear here. There you go. Nice. Very, very nice. Guys and gals, please be nice to one another in chat. Please be kind to one another. You can roast me, but don't roast each other. Be nice to one another. Plus 800 on the XFA today. Thank you for sharing that, Zignitas. Nice work. Very, very nice. Amazing. What was your question there, Sneakerhead? How do you deal with performance anxiety? I don't really have it, to be honest with you. I think that, streaming in front of a lot of people and trading, it's just something that's a learned skill. I don't think it's performance anxiety. Are you talking about me personally, or are you talking about your own performance anxiety? Can you be a little bit more clear? I didn't ban you. What are you talking? You folks are all having your own roust in there. Just take it easy. It's the morning time. Let's all calm down, huh? If I have 3 XFAs, 2 50K and 1 150K, and I get a transfer to live, I get transferred with all 3 accounts. If they're all doing well, you could have one XFA that's not doing well. They're not going to transfer that one, right? You have anxiety from a winning streak. Okay, let's talk about that. So if you have anxiety from a winning streak, one thing that you can do is just put that account off to the side and trade another combine or trade on a practice account until you get through that performance anxiety, because trading really is everything about up here. I mean, you can have the best setup in the world, but if you can't keep that trade on when it's working, you're going to get screwed. And if you can't respect your stop, or if you can't, if you can't be a good loser, then you're going to get crazy. So trade a different account, get something that's going to get you out of thinking about it so much. Just trade another combine, trade on a practice account and get through it. That's what I would say. Someone went full port order early to Sam. Hopefully not. Ribs, thought on the NQ daily looking like a Wyckoff distribution pattern? I mean, it is, right? It is. This right here is all you need to see is right here, the fact that we're not getting above this auction here. And it looks like we should be rolling, But essentially, I could see the same thing where we come back up and we start testing up here. Very, very easy to see a lot of different scenarios right now. We're kind of at the lower end of this area, so there's a good chance that we could find liquidity and bounce it. Just got laid off, so I decided I will not trade my XFAs for a while. I'm sorry to hear that, Ryan. Sorry. Hang in there. I was just going to ask, how do you look for patterns in small time frames? Do they work out most of the time? It depends. I mean, if you're a small time frame trader and you're scalpy, small time frames can work. Alex says, good morning. I'm a bad loser. Rips, how important to have another source of income while building a trading account? I think it's tremendously important, because if you're putting all that pressure on yourself, you're not going to be able to keep on winners. You're going to be crazy when you lose. You got to have some kind of supplementary income until you prove consistent profitability in trading, which is going to take you years. It's not going to happen in months. I mean, maybe you're one of the chosen ones, but it's going to take a long time. So yeah, I would say it's quite important. It's very important. Rips, you looked like it was taking all your power to hold back the F-bombs. No, not at all. No, to be honest, I mean, it's just a bummer. I mean, I've had so many losses in my career. It's not fun, but it's just a losing trade. You just get through it. I mean, it was just, I was very focused on the market and trying to get a read, because at the same time, when I'm in a losing trade like that, there's always the option to pull the ripcord early, right? There's always the option to get out of the trade early. And when we were perking back up, I could have closed the trade and it would have put me from being up $1,000 to, I think it was only up $400 or down $400, something nominal, right? And I could have closed the trade then. And that's why I was watching the tape so intently. And I guess I was a little bit quieter than I usually am. And I wasn't providing, tons of commentary. But the reason was because I was intently focused on the market structure and the tape. But when we got up to that area, again, it looked very, very strong. So I didn't want to take off the trade. And then the moment that happened, it pumped up and then it just started to flush. And then I said, I'm just keeping the trade on and sticking to my trade plan. I don't want to get lost in the sauce watching this tick by tick. So although it was disappointing, I mean, I've gone through so many big losses in my career. It's just another trade. It's just part of trading. You have to learn to lose and just be accepting of it. It's not fun to lose trades, but it's part of trading. Trading in and of itself is you're going to have losing trades. It's just part of it. It's easy to have winning trades. Well, not technically. There's a lot of folks out there who have winning trades that they don't keep them on, and then they beat themselves up when it keeps going in the direction that they picked. What makes you a consistent trader is how you manage your losses. 100%. You nailed it there, son. Looks like a descending scallop. Yes, it does indeed. Just got in. What happened? How much did Rips lose? Well, right now we're sitting down a ton. We're currently down $0 right now. But we're talking about yesterday's trade on the Top Step live stream, and I lost $3,000 on that trade. Most of you should go watch Jeannie from the Top Step TV episode last week. Yes, that was an amazing episode on psychology. Any tips with journaling? Start. Just do it. Just do it. Write down your emotional state, write down your trades, write down what your expectation was. One of the things I like to quiz myself on is I always like to say, would I take this exact same trade again? If the answer is no, then you write out why. If the answer is yes, you write out why. It's just, you get stuff out on the page and you just find your own path with journaling there. I wish we could customize the daily loss limits in the account. You can in Top Step X. You can. You absolutely can. Good advice, far better than Andrew. I made 1K yesterday and lost 700 from one trade. It's going to happen. It's okay. It's going to happen. It's okay. Losing is part of it. Learn to become a good loser. Learn to be okay with losses. It's seriously, you're going to get so many in your trading career. Just try to not have outlier losses. Like I've had huge outlier losses in my career. And the more that I tried to avoid those things, the better it was. You try to, obviously I've had crazy things happen in my trading career where I wish that they never happened. I wish that these days I could just undo, delete a day or whatever the case. But you can't. You have to live with them, but they teach you to be a stronger, more disciplined trader because you never want to revisit those dark areas ever again. It can get pretty tremendously dark. It can get really bad. So try to avoid those monstrous losses. By the way, let's get those likes pumped up here, folks. We have 1,200 of you folks in here watching, or 1,300. What do we have in here? 1,200 of you folks watching. We get to 500 likes. We will do a poll for the NQ. We get to 900 likes. We'll do a giveaway. And we get to that 1,000 likes. We'll do that giveaway for the free year of Clubhouse to celebrate 10,000 subs. So 900 likes, we'll give away a free combine. 1,000 likes, we'll give away a free year of Clubhouse. Macau says, really bad rips blew up 7 XFAs. Don't focus on that. Don't focus on that. Instead, journal what happened to get you to that point where you lost 7 XFAs and then learn from it what it is. Don't wallow in that self-pity of, oh man, I lost 7 XFAs. It's so terrible. Wow, BTC just tested 60,000, folks. Oh my. What is going on there? There you go. Hey, Rips, appreciate you and your content. Wanted to ask about Andre from Top Step. I'm on Top Step TV since beginning, and every time I ask him about him and his strategy, there's an answer. Any comment? You'd have to ask him. I don't know. I'm not him. Don't know his strategy. If your heart starts beating really quick and get too emotional, you probably have too much size. Lower your wrist. That's very good. Very good advice. But you passed 7 combines. Well, I traded 7 combines. I passed 2 of them, but those are going into the wings there, onto the bench. We have a roster. I'm trying to build a stadium of past XFAs. Good morning, Mike. Good to see you. Rips, there's so many completed combines. Why not trade your XFAs until they are blown? I've been focused on trading. Like yesterday, I traded my live, but if I can't trade on my live, why would I want to trade on my XFAs, right? If I'm not in the pocket and I have all of my trading career to trade my XFAs, I really want to. The opportunity there is to get 3x the amount of accounts traded at once. You could potentially put on 45 lots. I mean, it's a lot of power, so why not wait for a really good setup or wait until I'm in the pocket, right? And if I'm not in the pocket, why bother trading them? Do I work for a big firm? Nope. Completely independent. Fake gurus have 1 million subs, but here the real trader has only 10,000. You deserve more. Well, the other gurus have fake subs, and that's why they have lower viewership. But 50 times the amount of subs that I have. It's all fake subs and all floofies. There's nothing real about that. But we won't talk about other people. We stay centered. We don't talk about other people. Goodness. Can you explain the timeout issue mentioned yesterday regarding combines? The shot clock, perhaps? I would say shot clock is you have your phone here. Anytime you take a trade, win or lose, you put on the shot clock and you let it go out for 5 minutes. And by the way, the BTC is now the highest since November of 2021. It's up 40% month to date. Crazy town. It's crazy town. Holy smokes, it's crazy town. So we are coming close to that GDP read. I am going to set up this trade here. Let's see how I want to run this. Let's do this. Let's see. Let's do this here. There. Oh, wait, hold on. I got to set this up like this. Okay. And then, let's say right here. All right, there we go. We're locked and loaded for action right there. We are locked and loaded, folks. This is on a combine. I'm ready for any dramatic trade. Exactly right. Let's see if we get that drama. Let's see if we get the drama. We are hoping for drama on this print here. Hey, Rips, can you touch on risk management going from up for X1K to down 3K? Isn't that poor management? No hate, you're awesome. I mean, yeah, so I had a trade idea and the trade idea didn't work out. I was willing to lose $3,000. I mean, it's essentially $4,000 on that trade. But my profit target justified the risk on that trade because if we do have that breakout there, and again, there's so many times where you can take off the trade where it's, it's going against you like $1,000 or $2,000 would have closed the trade. Now I'm only down $1,000 on the day and then we get the trade that I'm looking for. So instead of me watching it tick by tick, I'm just letting that trade work. And so I was willing to lose $4,000 on that trade because the upside was a potential $8,000 or $12,000 trade. For instance, if I shorted from where I longed the same size, I would have made about $15,000 on that trade. So the risk to reward was there for me. And I have enough cushion in my account that I didn't mind, taking that loss in that. Hopefully it does fake out one way and then rip the other. Yeah, hopefully it does not, though. And never be afraid to ask questions. Never be afraid to ask questions in here. I know you folks when you're not hating. I know the folks that are trying to troll and trying their best in that. Hey, Ribs, looking at where your stops are, what is the difference between those entries and chasing? What do you mean? One is long, one is short. That's it. We're looking for a big reaction on this print. That's it. We're looking for a big reaction either way. Yep, seems like we should flush. And if we do, it's going to be, should be a pretty good trade, I would think. All right, data's coming out in 90 seconds here, folks. 90 seconds, we have a cavalcade of data that's coming out here. Good luck to everybody. Let's zoom out here. Very good chance I get one of these orders filled and then immediately stopped out. And I'm okay with that. This is a brand new, fresh combine. Very okay with that. I have many combines. I have many combines to trade over here. So I'm not really concerned about it. But I don't think I'd ever do this on my live account or on my XFAs. But I'm curious to see how this works out on my combines here. Would be unfortunate if the print just takes that liquidity down up. Yeah, and that's the risk that we're willing to take here. This is an OCO order, so if it tags one, the other one's going to get canceled, and it can easily whip up, stop me out, and then boom, I'm out, right? This top step pay me in combines. I don't have to buy these. These are $149 for me. I pay $149 per combine, just like everybody else. You'll be locked in at 960, then stop, and then locked in at 906. Well, it's an OCO order, so one will cancel the other. I'm taking these trades because I'm expecting a big print for the GDP. 25 seconds here, folks. Good luck, everybody. Let's smash that lucky like button. Let's see if we can get some luck on our side for this one. There's a discount code and member deal. Yeah, I've used it. I'm all used up on that one. Good luck, everybody. 5 seconds. Here we go. %3.2%. So that's really is kind of a nothing burger here. What a move. Wait for it. Looks like it wants to dump here. What an incredible print here, folks. Well, I was expecting who called that the nothing burger? It was I think it was Ellingson. There you go. Ellingson was the one who called that. Ding ding, non-event. Yeah, this is a wild one here. Is the market aware the news came out? It doesn't look like it. We're just kind of chopping in this hourly range here. Hold on. Can we move this perhaps maybe here? Looking for a print, and then maybe we move that here. Get it a little bit tighter. A little bit of a pump there. I'm at 54. Our level's at 60. I kind of don't like that, but whatever. See if we get this fill here. Yeah, it's kind of rinsing around. I can put that back up there just in case. My bathroom flusher pumps work better. There you go. Yeah, too fast, too furious. Exactly. Yeah, it really is a nothing burger. That's it for data until we have speakers. I mean, that's the only downside of this. So I do want to see, have we gathered enough liquidity to make a move higher? Have we gathered enough liquidity to, topside liquidity to start flushing this market? We are running into potential VWAP interference here in the S&Ps. I actually don't like having an entry at 58, given that my level's at 60 3/4. Not a huge fan of this. But let's see. Welcome to Slow Markets with Rips on this Wednesday. Exactly right. All right, we are pushing up here. Okay, we're in. We're in with 5 contracts, and this could be the very top of the range because this is our level, 60 3/4 here. And for some reason, it didn't OCO. That's strange that it didn't OCO that. It only did 1? Oh, you know what? I know why. Because I changed the quantity. Got it. Okay, good to know. Yeah, that might just go right in and stop us right out there because that's the top of that range. Because here's our level, right? Here's our level right here. And this is why I was like, I don't want to have my order right there at our level. I don't really like that because the chance is that we can just kind of whack that and come right back down, which is exactly what we're doing right now. Let's see if we hold up here above the 50s or not. If we don't, I'll probably just exit this trade prematurely. Let's see. Yeah, it went right through the VWAP. There we go. It's surging a little bit here on the S&Ps. Getting a little bit of a pump, a little bit of a bounce. Not a huge fan of this, to be honest. We came right back up to that level and then we rejected off of it. If we can get back above 50s here, I could potentially try for an ad and get aggressive with this. This is what we're looking at right here on the trade. We'll have to try this again on tomorrow when we get the PCE data. That's going to be a huge inflation read for the Fed. Yeah, we might have to just exit this trade prematurely as it isn't... we should have switched that long to a short up there. I'm just going to close that out there. So we're going to take a $1,300 loss there. Get that right here. So we're down $1,300 taking that trade. We did not get the exact thing that we're looking for on that. In fact, I probably should have just canceled that order since we're up at the topping of that range of 960. If we do break above that level, I could find myself getting back in long here. We are holding above 50s now. S&Ps are hitting the 50 EMA and kind of rejecting. So let's just see if this is going to continue to be a nothing burger. Nice trade for anybody who just traded that live without doing some kind of OCO strategy there. And now I know for the next one not to increase quantity via chart trader and just to put on the trade for however many lots I want, because OCO won't work that way. So that's good to know. All right, a little bit of a rejection if we're still weak around these 50s. Just watching the S&Ps over here. S&Ps are pushing up a little bit. They are coming back in. Wow, look at that liquidity coming in. Wow. That is extreme. We're right here at the tippy top of that volume collar too. So a little bit of thick liquidity coming in there. Very, very thick, to be honest. Yeah, it's smack dab in that 60 level there. All right, watching here, if we are going to reject, some sellers are coming in. Are we weak below these 50s? I'm going to try a short. Whoa, why can't I? Oh, geez, I have to cancel my OCO thing. Oh, I tried a short there. Didn't work. Going back here. See if we're still weak around these 50s. Watching here. Again, we're getting liquidity on both sides. So I'm just trying to watch the price action here back around these 50s. What doesn't work on OCO? So if you change the order quantity on chart trader, it doesn't modify. So you want to make your original order the size that you're trying to work with there. I'm going to try short now. If we are going to be weak around these 50s, try to capture this here. So watching, still holding that liquidity just around 45. Could kind of rinse around here, but I'm looking for a failure back below 50s. Just kind of skirting sideways here. We have a lot of liquidity all the way up to 55 or so. So I want to try to nail this as we have a potential of flushing back down through 40 or so. That's what I'm looking for. Watching here. A little bit of rejection in the S&Ps as well. Nice little push up, but it's weak. Okay, can we get this rejection? I kind of want to improve my average too if I can on a bounce. Let's see here. Trying to add to my position. See if we get a little uptick towards 50. So I'm watching this rate at 45 now. Got filled another contract there. Putting on another one if we can get filled there. Watching for this weakness to flush below 45. Got filled another one. Watching this up towards 50 as well. Patrick says we are going up. Good luck to you. Hopefully one of us wins. Hopefully somebody wins here. We are just kind of chopping here. I want to see this. Again, weak below 50s brings that flush into liquidity all the way down potentially to 37. I mean, we do have room down to 18, but we have a whole mess of liquidity to sort through first. We are rejecting, we're right at the view app test again of S&Ps. So if we have that flushing, it would look, there we go. Nice little bust loose there. Can we do it without the bounce? I'm going to try to add into that here for a flush below 40s now. We have liquidity down to 37 here. We just have to get through this without a bounce. So there we go. Nice flush. There we go. Oop, 37 kind of little up jump the boogie there at 37. See if we can get through that player at 37, or multitude of players, I guess you could say. Want to see this weakness persistent. Let's see it now through, there we go, through 37. I'm going to add into that. Want to go pulled pork if we have this continuation through 37. Watching. A little bit of a hold. See if we have weakness up towards 40s now. And then we would potentially see this flush to about 30 flat. So watching here. There we go. Beautiful. Covering, covering, covering. Who was that person who said we're going up? Oh, Patrick. Oh, you're the name matches your skill. That's crazy. That's so wild. Your name, it matches your skill. That's insane. That's so crazy. How wild is that? What are the odds? Pretty good, I guess, right? Pretty good. Insane. Your name shares very good company with other very skilled traders out there. Sorry. All right. Good trade. Worked out. How about that? Nice little waterfall to the downside there. Let's see if we can actually cover this on this bounce. So what were we down there? We were down $1,300. We still got this final lot here running. A little early for shots to be fine. All right. So what does that put us at? We were at 1396 in the negative. Hey, now we're up $1,700. How about that? Anybody else catch that nice little reversal off the 960s? It was that strategy that got us into trouble. I said I was going to try something new, but whatever. You know, we live with it. We had a knuckle-headed strategy there. Oh, there you go. Nice. Short on your combine, 3 lots. Nice big W's. There you go, folks. How we doing on those likes, by the way? Remember, we get to 900 likes, we give away a free combine. We get to 1,000 likes, we give away a free year of Clubhouse. We are at 515 likes. Give it up for yourselves. So we will run a poll here. Will the NQ and they up or down? Up, down. There we go. Up, down, or I have absolutely no clue. Put your votes in here, folks. Zach Miller says, nice. Just passed a 150K combine, up 502 XFAs on that. There you go. Let's go, Zach. Which indicator is that? This right here. So these are the halt bands. If the price touches this blue line, they halt all trading for the NASDAQ for the next 2 weeks. If it touches this red line, they keep the NASDAQ open. You got to add this to your charts. It's incredible. I don't know anybody who doesn't trade with this. It's called Halt Bands Extreme 3.6. It's available on ninjatrader.fake. Up 1900 on XFA overnight. Nice work there. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Would be shocked if we finish up today. Yeah, wouldn't it be nice if I shorted that originally at 60? Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be epic? I just used my levels. Somebody's asking, how did I call the reversal? I'm just using our market Clubhouse levels. I mean, this is where it pulled me in long. You know, that's where it pulled me in long there. I mean, we're in a downtrend. The market wants to follow that downtrend. The GDP data came in, I think, in line. Let me just double check on that data. Everything came in line. Core PCE coming in a little bit hotter, 10 basis points hotter. So, I mean, you could argue that the roll was because of that. Yeah, and then there you go. Martin says it took the equal lows. You called that early, too. I saw that. Nice work. Good prescient call there. That indicator looks like the $1 million pen. That's what it is. That's what it is. Check out the hourly candle. Let's see. That's fun. Wow. Thank you for pointing out there, Grateful Trader. All right, we get to 250 more likes. We will do that giveaway for a free Top Step Combine. Let's get those likes up, folks. there we have it. You have to trust the levels. The levels are everything. They work. They work great. But yeah, look at that hourly, like Grateful Trader pointed out there. So back to the 15-minute. Yikes, right? Big yikes. Rips, do you have a smaller, more trade-focused group? We have Clubhouse. Let me see. What's Clubhouse? Is it just that? Hold on. See if that works. I don't know my own keywords. Let's see. I think there it is. Yeah. So if you want to check it out, come check it out for 7 days. See what you like. If you like the group or not. We have a great group of people in there. But, we do a 7-day trial. You come check it out for 7 days. See if you like it. That's why we give you 7 days. See if you like it or not. The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. That's right. Come on down. Rose, you considered a full switch to Top Step X? Or you're going to keep Ninja Trader? I'm going to switch over to Top Step X eventually. I will be trading it more live on stream as well. How many in the group? 1,020 as of yesterday or so. Say your levels are available in Thinkorswim. Yeah, so if you go to Thinkorswim, let's see here. You go to Thinkorswim. The easiest way to find them, you go over to like the triple Qs, which usually don't have a lot of news about them. And then you go over to the news tab on the triple Qs. And then you can see right there, it says Market Clubhouse Morning Memo, February 27th, 2024. Boom. So you get yesterday's memo. Today's will be posted later. Wow, look at this reversal, by the way. Oh, holy smokes. Look at that. Level to level, anybody? Look at that. Bing, bong. There you go. Bingo, bango right there. How? How does it do that? What in the world is this witchcraft? It's unbelievable. Anyone else having problems with Top Step X VWAP? Anybody? Bing bong. The only negative thing about Top Step X is join bid and join ask are kind of laggy. Otherwise, great platform. But it's going to get better and better and better. If you do the technical analysis to mark levels on your chart and don't trade them, then you're not trading, you're watching. Yeah, there you go. I like Ninja, but have been using Top Step X and it's working pretty good. Past my 50K comp, I give it up for Gary Hauser. Bookmap code is MC20, Josh. MC20, and then there's the link and everything. It's a lot of deals if you hit that. You are better than ICTs. Market magic, yeah. Not going there. I'm not going there. It is laggy and also makes the market go against my trades. Yeah, I've noticed that. On Top Step X, if you press buy, the market sells. If you press sell, the market buys. Isn't that crazy? So there it is. Nightbot. Josh Hammond, Nightbot said, see the market like never before. Get 20% off Bookmap by entering code MC20. There you go. Code MC20. The VWAP on X needs a little work. You just have to squeeze back to new day and get the correct VWAP. Very interesting there. So this is just getting tightly wound here in this channel right here. This is just going to get tightly wound, and it's going to continue to stay tightly wound, I think, until the market open. I would want to be looking for a potential trade. That would be through this test, gone, or conversely, through this test, gone. That's what I'd like to see. It's in the middle right now. I don't want to take any trades while we're in the middle here. How come you never show live trades? I don't know. I mean, one day I will. One day I will actually show my live trades. I mean, I am the most untransparent trader out there. I mean, one day I'm going to have the courage to do it. I think I will. But until then, I will put on trades, not tell you about it unless they're winning. And once they're about $1,000 in the profit, I'll switch over to my screen and show you and say, look, I got a trade on. I'm not going to, okay, back to center. Back to center. Back to center. What is it? Goose Fraba. Oh, goodness. Rose, you need a little gong next. That's a great idea. I'm going to get a big gong back here and just go. Are you the number one trader on YouTube? I don't know. I'm just a dude trying to trade and trying to teach people what I know about trading. That's it. Ooh, got the mail for Top Step X invitation for Lonely Fox. Anybody else get that email from Top Step X that they won Serenity now? Oh, I love you, Beans. Love you. Good to see you. I love your energy. I missed your videos. You got to be posting your weekend videos in here again. That was awesome. I like that. Literally the most transparent trader on the interwebs. I try to be, anything I could be doing better, let me know. In fact, somebody left a comment on my Instagram yesterday and they're like, I used to be a fan of you, but then on your Instagram, on your highlight reels, you're only posting winners. You're just like a furu now. It's like, okay. I mean, I guess, you know what? From now on my Instagram, I'm only going to post losing trades because that's the energy I want to put out in the ether there. I mean, I've posted losing trades on my Instagram. I've posted losing trades in my shorts. Like, it's just never good enough, no matter what you do. There you go. You folks got your X emails. Congratulations to anybody who won that. Yeah, there we go. That's awesome. Look at that. How many of you folks got an invitation? I mean, I didn't sign up for it. Did I get an invitation? No? Okay, good. It's working. I'm just making sure they didn't send that out to everybody. Oh, goodness. If you only post losers, I'll feel better about myself. I mean, I do post losers. That's the thing. I got losing trades all the time. It's part of trading. I opened the show talking about how we had a losing trade live on Top Step TV. But no, it's not enough. It's not enough. Wow, Alexander, me and my wife got it. Nice. Got the email, said I was not selected. Oh, no. Oh, banger. Bummer. Ribs, you got to share what you're eating. Need this energy every morning. I'm eating 200 milligrams of Celsius goodness right here. We are drinking the cola this morning. Just see it. Got the invitation too. Very, very nice. Well, if you folks missed out on that invite, guess what? We are giving away a free Top Step Combine, which you can use on any platform. You can use it on NinjaTrader, Quantower, Bookmap, Motive Wave, Atos, Trade of 8, Trading View. You can use it on anything you want. And I'm giving that away as soon as we hit 900 likes. We have 1,600 of you folks in here. Don't tell me you don't know where that button is. It's right there. It's right below the video. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Should light up when I say that, by the way, if you haven't hit it already. And let's get to 900 likes. When we get to 1,000 likes, we're giving one lucky person a free year of Clubhouse. Think about that. A free year of Clubhouse. And I hope that I'm very hopeful that one of the OGs wins. Come on, guys. I need to win 1 year of Clubhouse. That's what I'm saying. Hey, we got to 800. How about 100 more? And we'll do that giveaway there. Hallowed Future says, have a good day, everyone. After that short, I'm closing shop. Well, stick around. You could win something there. When is the Las Vegas trip? June 14th. 80% sure of that. June 14th. I've already booked everything around June 14th myself, but I'm happy to change it up and all that. But I hope to see every single one of you in Vegas. I'd love to see every single person that's here in chat out there in Vegas. Yeah, the Wynn and the Encore. Exactly right. The Wynn Hotel. That's right. Yes. How about a year free combines? I don't even get that. I wish it'd be nice. Would be nice. But yeah, if you are able to, please join us in Vegas. Ooh, dinner at Lakeside. What about SW, Ratbird? Come on. That's the spot. SW is right on the Lake of Dreams. That's my jam, SW. Ooh, I love SW. It's one of my favorite spots there. If there are any details for the event, then I can book flights. Yep, they are coming. I will let you folks know. But it's going to be great. So we're going to be doing, so there's definitely going to be a Top Step event in Vegas, but then we're also going to have a Market Clubhouse meetup in Vegas. And then we'll have a special something for, we'll do another contest or something. I'm trying to put together a special giveaway for that as well, where you can win flight, hotel, and, if you care to hang out, maybe we can hang out together and talk some trading and do some live trading together. That could be fun. And I want to do a giveaway for that. That could be fun. That's what I'm thinking. So, yeah, stick around. I mean, nothing but giveaways here. I love giving away stuff. I feel like Oprah. Oh, goodness. Love Ellis Island off strip. $1 beers and 10-cent wings. I'm easy to please, apparently. How do I add more than one combine, or do I have to do them one at a time? It's one at a time, Loxy. You got to buy them one at a time. Can you explain the difference between XFA and live accounts? Sure. XFA and live, you can both take payouts from. Live account, you can't get into. They have to call you up. So they have to see that your trading is worth them backing on a live account. But then on a live account, your orders are actually hitting the tape. You can see your orders hitting the tape. But that's the only difference. It's more of a prestige thing. Wow, liquid flows. Look at you. Can we lock it up for the day? Can we make a promise to one another? I, Liquid Flows, will lock it up for the day. Yes? Can we promise, please? Pinky yeah. Okay, pinky promise there. Good day. Congratulations. Liquid Flows up $5,100. Very, very nice. One day my orders will hit the tape. Got to manifest it. Yeah, absolutely there. Hey, Rips, on my X-Fade, my goal is $200 a day and limit is $100 a day. I was down $80 and now I'm up 100. Do I trade to hit my goal or just stop? What's your opinion? It's all about what you're feeling. If you have to ask me that question, you're probably better at taking a break because I think you'd probably be pretty disappointed if you gave some money back. So let's just lock it up. Enjoy the profitable day. It's not going to count towards that $200 a day, but who cares, right? Lock it up. Let's just take a break. If you have to ask me that question, I think that you already know the answer. Yeah, just lock it up. Enjoy that profitable day. Bring that energy into the next day. And, let's keep the party bus rolling there. Ooh, good morning from Alaska. Alaska Jiu-Jitsu. Alaska, one of the most dangerous states in the country as far as the elements go. People don't realize how dangerous Alaska is. There's very few habitable places in Alaska, I should say. It's a very dangerous state. Facts. There you go. Dr. Rips, that's me. I got my MD, of course. Do you know why you can have indicators for open interest on TV for crypto, but they won't work for indices? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But you can check the open interest on the CME website if you're looking for NQ or S&Ps. Let's buy land and market Clubhouse. I'm in DC far more danger. Not the elements. I'm talking about the elements there. Locked in is a win. Gave up 5K last week by not locking in my profit. Yeah, I mean, it's a precarious thing. It's one of the hardest things to measure, but when you start to feel it, yesterday when I was up $1,000 in my Top Step Live funded account, I was not feeling like, oh shoot, should I lock this up? But that's me, right? That's me. That's how I was feeling. And I had hungry eyes. I saw a trade. I took it. Wrong trade location. Got my butt handed to me. But that's trading. It didn't ruin my day. It just moved on. I'm more proud of my $100 winning days than my $1,000 days. Hard to call it quits with small winnings, but it shows better discipline. Yeah, and the more that you build that discipline, the more that you're able to trust yourself as a trader, which is always important. Negative 21 in Fairbanks. My goodness gracious. When are you flying down to Australia? I don't know. Vegas is happening for sure, though. Rips, tell them crypto is a scam. No. Had 2 daily max loss, 650 in a row. I'm locking up with plus 900. Nice work there, Apex. Give it up. I think I will take the family to SW Friday when I pick up my daughter for spring break in honor of Rips. There you go, S. Redberg. Love that. Got my Top Step X code now. Nice work there, Kevin. Love it, Blue 50K XFAs, temporary liquidated 250K combines and past 150K combines. Okay. Don't focus on the things that you did wrong unless you're learning something from it, right? I'm not going to dwell on yesterday's trade. I couldn't care less. Did I do something wrong? Well, maybe I could have stopped out sooner, but then the more I looked at the trade, I said, I was trying to have a very wide band of liquidity, given that we're in a huge chop zone. If we would have had that bust up to the top side, breaking out of 35 and 40, that would have been a big, potentially, $8,000 to $12,000 to $15,000 trade for me. And I was happy to put that risk on. It's my own personal risk preference. So that's what I journal. I just said, would I take the same trade? Yeah, I would. Was it a bad read? Yep. Do bad reads happen? Yep. Do losses happen? Sure do. Welcome to trading, folks. Anybody tells you that they don't lose, they're liars. I lose all the time. All the time. Have you ever thought to put Delta settings on your volume profile? I have Delta over in Bookmap. But yeah, I know what you're saying. I just like it clean like this. I don't need to see the Delta there. My risk is 3 to 1. It depends. It all depends. You don't need to repeat questions. I read all questions. Don't worry. You don't have to copy paste your questions. My risk on that one was a $4,000 trade. So, I mean, technically it was more of like a 2 to 1. I would have settled for like 1.5 to 1, Been trading for about 5 months now. I've learned how not to care. There you go. That's a big part of it. You want to care in the sense that you're improving yourself, but not care in the sense that you're letting a loss ruin your week or your day or your night or whatever the case. Where do you learn to use Bookmap? It's self-taught. You can watch their free YouTube channel. I have a webinar about it in the Clubhouse here. But I recommend start with the Bookmap free YouTube channel and see if it gives you any good information. I personally do not agree with the way that they see it. I see it my own way, but that's why, it's subjective. I've been watching it for a very long time, for years and years and years. So I was all self-taught on it. But the way that I taught myself specifically was watching replays with the gift of hindsight, knowing what happened and then seeing what was happening in the tape. I'd watch it at 0.25x, watch it at half speed, zoom in on the areas of liquidity, and just kind of try to commit that to my implicit memory as best as I could. It's not something you can really train, While trading, how's your psychology? I mean, the easiest thing about trading futures is that you can just put on a trade and put a stop in or put a TP in and just leave it and not really focus on the minutia. That would actually serve a lot of people very, very well. Futures is a lot about trade location, where you're putting on a trade. For instance, what screen do we have up right now? We have this one. So for instance, let's just say that, you see that you have equal lows down here. And you just say, well, I think that if it came down to these equal lows, we've been bouncing here. I'm going to put a long with a stop below 918. And this is all going to happen automatically because I'm just going to put a buy stop down here. And it crosses that line. Now you have a trade that's automatically working. Maybe your TP is somewhere up here. And there you go, TP hit. Automate your trading, right? Or I guess right there. I don't know. I'm drawing it over there. But yeah, you put your trade on and let it work. If it comes and stops you out, you lose this much. I mean, what is that? Let's see what the risk to reward there is on that trade. So getting in there, your stop is just below there. And then we'd run it to this area here. I mean, 3-1, right? You're risking 8.25 for 24 points. Set it up like that and don't watch it. Just let it happen. Stop watching it. Just let it work. Set up your trades like that, and you'll be served pretty well. What is that? This is TradingView, and that right there is called a long position. So if you take that long position, you can draw that anywhere and get your risk reward on your chart. Trading psychology is very much like poker. My 12 years in poker made me a much better trader. Yeah, it's very true. They kind of go hand in hand. It's like competitive gamers, poker players, chess players. They all kind of go hand in hand. Anything that's very cerebral. 19 more likes to go. Are we serious? We're still not there? Oh, come on. 19 more likes. Come on. Am I on Top Step TV today? Good question. I'm on the final 2 hours. I'm going to be on for recapping with Rips. Wait, is it Wednesday? Yeah, I'm doing recapping with Rips today. That's right. I forgot. I'm scheduled for Wednesday. So I'm doing recapping there we go. We did it. 918 likes. So we will give away that free Top Step Combine right now. But yeah, I'm going to be on Top Step TV for the final 2 hours today. And then tomorrow, final 2 hours. And then Friday, Fast Markets. So super excited about that. If we get to 58 more likes too, then we're going to give away a free year of Clubhouse. I think you folks can do this. All right, so let's do the giveaway first for the Top Step free Combine. All right, Top Step free Combine. Let's get this over here. Get that all suited and booted over here. And then we'll do a keyword. Channel members get 3 times the luck. Let's end this poll first. Ending the poll now. Boom. And poll is ended. 37% say down, 31% say up, and 30% have absolutely no clue from about 1,000 votes there. So, I mean, it's pretty mixed. All right, so the keyword is going to be for this combine, because I want you to practice this if you're the winner, is going to be patience. By the way, okay, so hold on. Let's hold the phone here. Okay, hold the phone. Right down here it says Twitter and Instagram @SellingRips. What you need to do right now is you need to go to Twitter, you need to go to Instagram, you need to follow me in both of those areas. If you don't do that and you win, you will not win that free Top Step Combine. It's just that simple. If you don't have an account at either one, well, go make one. It's free. It's free to do it, right? It's free to do it. I'm going to have to change the keyword. I'm going to spell it differently. Wait for it. Don't be typing it in yet. All right. So I know you can't see it. That's by design. Okay. So if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. It's @SellingRips. @SellingRips. You follow me there. Now, when you win the giveaway, you simply just say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. That's it. That's all you have to write. Don't dilly-dally because you only have 60 seconds. Now, right now is your time to do this. Set the stream speed to 2x so that you're watching it as close to real time as possible. I'm going to sound like a chipmunk, and I'll probably go, right? Now we're all caught up. But do not dilly-dally, because if you do, you're going to miss your chance to win. So those are the instructions. It's very easy to follow. If you win the giveaway, it's going to say you've won, and just say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. All right, so the new keyword is going to be OM. There we go. It is OM, folks. OHM, OHM, OM, OM for patience, because you want to have patience when you win this Top Step free combine. You want to have patience. OHM, just type it one single time, and we'll get everybody here in the giveaway. Just one single time. I think that the giveaway bot, it actually faults you if you type it in more than once. I think. I'm not sure, but why risk it, right? Why risk it to get the biscuit? Does anyone see the irony in the word being patient? I love that. Futures Trading Today says, your darn levels didn't work. I had to buy at 918 quarters and it turned at 918.50. What's up with that? I know. I got to get better than that. That's one tick. I got to get better than one tick away. What am I thinking? Oh, that ribs, I tell you. You have anti-spam on, so more than once cancels you out. Maybe. I mean, I don't think I have it clicked. Yeah, I don't think I have it clicked. But there you go. Type it in. OM. OM. We'll give you folks about another minute here. And then we'll trade the opening of the market. And are we up to enough likes after this to do the free year of Clubhouse? Yeah, we are. Wow, look at you rock stars. 1,023 likes. Nearly 1,600 people watching. I love you folks. You folks are so kind and supportive and sharing your morning with me. I really do appreciate it. It is awesome. It is awesome. So remember, it is at Selling Rips on Twitter or Instagram. If you don't have an account there yet, very easy. Just go make one. That's all you got to do. Go make one right now and make sure you're following me. If you're not following me, you will not qualify for the giveaway. About 40 more seconds here. 40 more seconds. This is for a free Top Step Combine. Free Top Step Combine. And we're going to be doing the same thing for the next giveaway, which is going to be a free year of Clubhouse. A free year of Clubhouse. I wish you would use the anti-spam that way. All the knuckleheads that type it 200 times take themselves out of the running. I want to give everybody a free chance. You know, there's a lot of folks in here. English might not be their first language, so I want to keep that open just in case. Reroll. Yeah, already reroll it. If you are in BTC, make sure you sell on the way up so you have some of the retracement. There you go. What are we at in BTC? What's spot price of BTC right now? Do we go over 60,000? Guess I could check on one of my. Wow, we are over 60,000. My goodness. Did you say we get over 1,000 times luck with 1,000 entries? Yes. You have to type it 1,000 times. All right, folks, we have about 400 people here in the giveaway. Let's see here. Let's see. Once we get this crossing to 400, two more, then I'll just run it. There we go, 400. All right, we are rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling. The consultant, are you with us? I think you already are a member here in Clubhouse, but this is for a free combine, free Top Step Combine. Are you with us? Is it the same one? Are you here? And if you are in Discord, show yourself. I think it's you. I think it's you, right? You're the same one in the Discord. If you're not, then let me know. Yes, right? That's you? Just say in chat that it's the same person in Discord. Please. But say it in the YouTube chat. Say it in the YouTube chat so I know it's you. I believe you, but we just have to do this back checking here. Just say, okay, cool. Yay, give it up for the consultant. That was easy. All right, sweet. All right, congratulations. And let me send this to you free. Combine, boom. I just DM'd you. That's me, by the way. We are friends on Discord. All right, folks. Do we want to jump right into it to the free year of Clubhouse? I've never given away anything like this before, but this is going to be for a free year of Clubhouse. A free year of Clubhouse. And by the way, in Discord, we are doing an exclusive giveaway for another free Top Step Combine here in the Discord. So stick around, Discord folks. After we finish the YouTube stream, we are going to be giving away a free Top Step Combine just for our folks here in Discord. All right, so we are going to do the free year of Clubhouse. I'm trying to think about what would be a very good keyword for that. Remember, you do have to follow me right there at Selling Rips. You have to follow me on there. I want this to go to an OG really, really bad. Let me just think what would be a really... let's keep it real. Let's just do this. Let's just do very, very simple. Since we hit 10,000 subs, let's just do 10,000, just like this, 10K. Boom, type in 10K, and that's it, 10K into the YouTube chat. Type it in one single time, and this is for a free year of Clubhouse right here. I hope an OG wins. We were talking about that this morning in the Clubhouse. I hope an OG wins, but if not, hey, we'll welcome whoever's in here with open arms. All right, just type in 10K one single time. Once we see this giveaway number to about over 400, we'll do the drawing. And remember, when you do win, you have to say my Instagram username is this, my Twitter username is this. Simple, just like that. Hopefully a hater doesn't win. Well, it is what it is. If a hater won, then a hater won. Nothing I can do about that. Link the Discord server. It's just right here. Just like that. It's going to pop up. Wait for Nightbot. Wait for it. Go on, Nightbot. There it is. Nightbot. Zero latency live stream. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. Rips, what do you think about... I've never heard of that person ever in my life. Or are you talking about candlesticks? Yep, just type in 10K. Just type in 10K. We will heal them. Yes, exactly right there. Rips, just call my name out no matter what the draw says. All right, everybody in Discord, make sure you go and type that in over in the YouTube channel. Please, please, please. I want to see an OG winning this. So please go ahead and type it over in the YouTube chat. This is going to be for a free year of Clubhouse. I don't use them. I don't use those, Sneaker. I don't use those. G-Ski is in. Love to see that. And don't forget, folks in Discord, we're doing that giveaway later on after the stream. Let's go. Buy the dip at open, anyone? Yeah, I mean, we are kind of going back over here. We are kind of holding at these lows here. We are kind of holding. Not a very violent move to the downside, I will say that. This is just the 1 minute chart, but there you go. All right, everybody. We have 427. We'll let this thing run out a little bit more since we have about 1,500 people in here watching. We'll let this puppy run out just a little bit more here. And we shall see how this plays out here. Yeah, BTC is jamming. If you missed it, BTC over 60,000. My goodness gracious. What's the Discord right here? Right here. It can pop up again. Just click that link. Monitoring 68.25. Yeah, I think that's a good level. I would say all the way down to 64 even there, Regency. You typed the wrong one before. Did I? Just click that link. Should work fine. Alrighty, folks. We got 447. When this gets to 450, we'll roll it here. 3 more. And again, when you win, you have 60 seconds on the clock. Just 60 seconds on the clock. And that's when you have won. You get 60 seconds to claim it. 2 more people will roll this. 60 seconds to claim this. If you don't claim it within 60 seconds, we will re-roll it. We have gone over the rules. All right, here we go, folks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and free year of Clubhouse coming to this lucky person. Rolling. Danya Moore, are you with us? Danya Moore, are you with us? You've won a free year of Clubhouse. 60 seconds are on the clock starting now. Let's see. Reroll. Okay, you're here. My Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. 60 seconds are on the clock here, Danya. 60 seconds on the clock for you, Danya. Do you have Instagram? Do you have Twitter? 60 seconds are on the clock. It was easier when there's back 30 of us. Yeah, I know. Now we got a whole mess of people here. Let's see, Danya. You have 30 more seconds left. Have both each the same. Well, I mean, I'm not going to guess them. I will tell you that. You have about 30 more seconds. Oh, goodness. I can't guess them. I mean, I know that you folks think I'm a psychic, but I can't guess them. We have a couple more seconds here. Wait, let's see. All right, let's see if you're following me here. This is the final test, everybody. Hey, there you go. You follow me and you've done retweets. Amazing. Congratulations there, Dania. Congrats. Free year. All right, so I've messaged you. That's me. I got the check mark. There we go, folks. Give it up for Dania. Dania has just won a free year of Clubhouse. You know what? Why don't we do a consolation prize? Since you folks have been so patient and sticking it out in here? Why don't we do a consolation prize? We'll give away 1 free month of Clubhouse as a follow-up here. Just do a quick little keyword for this one. We're going to call it a free month, just like that. Free month, type in free month. There you go. Not going to do a second free year, but a free month. Why not? Free month, type it in free month. We'll do a free month there. Don't want to leave you folks empty-handed. Let's have a runner up here. By the way, look at this. Market is rolling down just a touch here. Go to the 5 minutes. Yeah, look at this chart. We are looking like we might just waterfall and fade here to the downside. That rejection off of 960 3/4 still working great. Nice. Awesome, Dania. Happy to have you with us. I'll send you that coupon code later today. Very easy to redeem that. You just click the link and you'll be right in for a free year. So excited to have you with. I can't wait to see what happens over the next year of you hanging out in there. It's going to be super awesome. Super duper awesome. Ooh, nice. Been trading with you for a few months now. Awesome. That's great. That is awesome. I love it. I love it. Okay. Well, look at that. We already have 270 of you folks in here for a free month. Okay, and again, to claim this, very, very simple. We're going to get this one cooking because we have about 14 minutes till the market opens. 14 minutes till the market opens here. Once this gets to 300, I'm just going to roll it. I'm just going to go for it. Why not? Liquid Flow says, whack. Find it hard leaving the trading desk plus 390 when I lost 3K yesterday, but I'm still 47 for the week. I mean, if you're not feeling it, you're not feeling it, right? All right, folks, here we go. We are rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling. Guy Blanco, are you with us? You've won a free month of Clubhouse. Guy Blanco, talk to me, Guy Blanco. Talk to me. You are the big winner here. You are the big winner. Free month of Clubhouse. G-Line says, that's not me. Guy Blanco, are you with us? Trader Page, re-roll. Guy Blanco. All right, 60 seconds are on the clock starting right in now. 60 seconds on the clock right now. Guy Blanco. Got to claim it quick. I'm going to be tough on this one, by the way. If you don't claim it in time, it's going to the next person. So if you haven't typed in the free month, now's your time to type it in to make sure you're entered for the giveaway. We have 360 people that are eligible for this. Free month is the keyword. Guy Blanco, you are on the clock. You got 40 more seconds. 40 more seconds. He told me I had to leave. Reroll. Got it. 30 more seconds here. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Don't be shy, Guy Blanco. You could do this. I believe in you. Their internet went out. That's I'm here. Yeah, I know, right? Look at that. We did bounce again here, by the way. Look at that. We bounced again right there, that 918 quarter level. Levels are just, what do we say? We said we're going to bring chopping around in this range here. They're trying to follow me on the platforms right now. All right, we are re-rolling, folks, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Mr. Trader, you've won a free month of Clubhouse. Are you with us, Mr. Trader? Oh, Mr. Trader. Paging Mr. Trader. Are you with us, Mr. Trader? Where do these people go? Into the ether, apparently. I don't know. Into the twilight. Yes, the Twilight Zone. I think we played that track earlier. All right, 60 seconds on the clock starting right about and now. 60 seconds are on the clock. For Mr. Trader to claim that prize, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. 12 minutes till the market opens here, folks. Yeah, so close. So close yet so far. Into the ether. Into the ether they go. Make it 30 seconds. We might have to if the next person doesn't claim in time. They have 30 seconds starting in 5 seconds. So 35 seconds to claim here. Bookmap code only good for 1 month discount. No, it actually continues as far as I'm aware. Into the Mystic with Van Morrison. All right, 20 seconds to claim here, Mr. Trader. Mr. Trader, are you with us? Paging Mr. Trader. It's like they sprint away from the computers as soon as they win. They're just too excited. They're too excited. Maybe they like slam their desk and then the internet goes out. All right, here we go. We got 5 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling. Zach Miller, are you with us? Zach Miller, you've won. Free month at Clubhouse. Zach Miller, you've won. All you have to do is say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. Very, very simple here. We're going to do 30 seconds on the clock starting now. 30 seconds on the clock. That's a bot name. Oh, here. There you go. You can see it now. There we go. This beats the markets. We got to make side bets. Do they know how to type in their name and say, this is my Twitter username, this is my Instagram username? How does the winner contact you? They just write in chat. This is my username. That's it. Zach Miller told me to take it for. All right, we're going to be rolling here in 10 seconds, folks. This is too funny. I love this. Fake user reroll. I love it. They type and then they just disappear off into the ether here. All right, here we go. Rolling in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I posted above. No, you didn't. 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Worldwide Worker, are you with us here? Worldwide Worker, are you with us here? Worldwide Worker. Just say something. Just say something. Anything at all here. Worldwide Worker, are you with us? You've won. This is my favorite part of the day, by the way. This is my favorite part of the day. I posted above. I love that one too. Say something. I'm giving up on you. It's so funny. It's too funny. Big Al for the one guy. All right, we're rolling the next one here. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Here we go, folks. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Look at another one. I said it above. Yeah. Okay, cool. Another one of you. Here we go. Hamza, are you with us? Hamza, are you with us? Here we go. Hamza, are you with us? Free month. Hey, look, you typed in free month. You did that part. Yep, you're typing in free month. Now, just say this. Very simple. My Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. We might not even get through this today, folks. YZQ. Okay, let's see. Let's see if that's a username here. YZQ. I'm going to guess that it's not, but we'll see. Nope, that account has been suspended here. All right, I'm doing 10 seconds for this person. Because if we can't figure it out from here, then, I mean, crazy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh. We found it. We found out how to type a username here, folks. Yes, you do follow me. We did it. Hamza, we did it. Yes. We did it. Thank God. We did it. Yes. This is just a big test of my patience. God bless you, Hamza. I'm going to message you right now. Free month. Okay, everybody. That's it. That's all. We're going to trade the open together because I'm not on Top Step TV today. The open's going to be in 7 short minutes. Oh, goodness gracious. Too funny. That is good stuff here. To be fair, Rips, you're not seeing the responses. I mean, hey, they pop up right there. I mean, there's not much more that I can see. You know, the first message should literally be my username is this, like Trader Page said. It should be that easy. I mean, it's really just that easy. I mean, if everybody else can figure it out, you know. How do you get 60% off? You just click that link at the top. Take it all the way to checkout without paying, and you'll see your deepest discount available. Does the @ block them? Could. I mean, just I happen to say, you know, do not write the @ symbol with your name there. These channels is not teaching you patience. All the Discord people are like, we can't wait to watch this train. What's the record for the most rerolls? I think that's pretty close. Someone just followed me called selling grips. Yeah, that's not me. I'm not selling grips. The @ sign is blocking. I used it and then had to type again. So there you go. Danya, who won, don't use the @ symbol. Don't ever use the @ symbol. There you go. There's your answer right there. So congratulations to our winners here. We got Hamza. We got Danya. Who was the other one? Who just won? It was Hamza, Danya, and then Consultant here in the Discord. Amazing. What kind of grips? The best kind. The Kung Fu grips. Those are the best kind. Alrighty, folks. This is what we're looking for on the market. Market is opening in about 5 minutes. I'm going to take a quick restroom break. I'll be back right here with you, folks. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back with you here in a jiffy. And we're back. We have about 90 seconds here till the market opens, folks. Who's ready for price action here? Let's see how the price action unfurls. We're currently up $1,700, trading one top step combine there. on that beautiful follow-up trade there. We had that one trade where we had those orders placed, and then we had that beautiful follow-up trade. So now we went from being down 1,300 to up 1,700 bucks. What a beautiful trade that was. That was just a gorgeous, gorgeous trade. I have to say it again. That was just a beautiful flushacito. That was so nice. That was so nice. That was gorgeous stuff, I got to say. Alrighty, so I'm probably going to be a little bit hands-off here off the open. Little bit hands-off. I do want to see what happens at these 9/18 quarters. We have the market opening in less than 20 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Markets are opening in 5 seconds here. Tops Up X is available for Windows. It's available on any computer, any browser. It's browser-based. Okay, so markets are opening here. Looking over at the Magnificent Seven, Meta is catching a bid early on in the session here. Microsoft as well. Google is tooling to the downside. Looking like we are getting a nice little percocito here. Up here to 45s. Brimful of Asha and 45 up here. NVIDIA is kind of tussling with the VWAP. Tesla's looking strong. The Maggie 7 is looking strong except for Google. I will say that. But look at these orders going off here. My goodness, these are some big chunky boys and girls. Big chunky orders here. Happy to be hands off and just Om. Let the trades come to us. Om. Charles taking a little heat. Don't worry. You're fine. So we got up to those 40s. Didn't get, what was the high of that candle there? Got up to those 40s. The high was 43.5. We may just rinse around here for a hot minute. NVIDIA's looking kind of weak-ish. The market is looking a little bit heavy here. I'm going to try a short. I'm going to try to short these lows for a break of 9/18 quarters. That's what I'm looking for here. A nice little break of 9/18 quarters. If we get stopped out, hey, we get stopped out, but I'm still looking for this breakdown. I want to see this auction down to 895 here. If I was in, I would have sent 15 into the open. Live on the wild side. There you go. So we're shorting the bottom of this range where it's been holding up, and the thesis behind this trade is, of course, we're looking for a lot of those stops, those sell stops to get triggered right below this 9/18 quarters. Good chance it will pop right back up, and we're willing to take a $300 loser on this trade if it pans out that way. So again, we popped up to about 35. I guess I could tease this up to about 44. VWAP's at 48. So if we continue to kind of conduct this liquidity in this channel here, looking for this flush right down at this area. There's those 9/18s. A little bit of a bounce there, those 9/18s, however. Yeah, there we go. Nice little flushacito here. Very, very nice. Gorgeous pull to the downside here. Right into those 9/10s. See if we can add into this pressure here, or if we're going to bounce. Watching again back up towards 9/18 quarters. Seeing if that was a draw of liquidity. Still kind of selling here. S&P's had a big bounce there off the lows. I'm going to add in a second lot here for that break of 9/10s to the downside. I'm going to move my stop right to there in case we don't get this break of 9/10s. And we got stopped out. Little whippy, little bit wild there. We do get down to 1,400, so gave back a little bit there. Gave back about 230 bucks. Was looking for that bigger breakdown and added in a second lot there. So looking here at 9/18s again. Once again, it's looking a little bit weak. Watching here. I'm going to trying to click that button. There we go. Another short here. Looking for these 9/10s to break down. Bring my stop right there. Okay, we're back in this one here. Might have to get a little bit scalpier. Adding into that for the break of 9/10s again. Seeing if we remain weak below those 9/10s. Watching here. Still weak. Adding into that. Looking for a 905 pull. Very, very nice here. Looking for these 900s to break down. Oh, right when we put in our cover, that's where we get a nice little bounce. Oof, bad timing on that one. Let's see if we can stay weak below 910s here. Oh, good golly, we didn't get that cover. Look at that. We clicked the button just a little bit too late there. We're trying to get that cover into those 900s. Unfortunately, that did not play out how we wanted it to. Sometimes you got to be a little bit quicker there, quicker on the draw. I mean, that was a tremendous bounce, a 20 handle bounce there off the lows. Let's see if we have any weakness here below 920s. I want to stay in this trade as long as I can. We're back at those 918 quarters. This is where we should potentially reject here. And if we don't, we'll have to come out of this trade. So watching here all the way up to, I mean, this is crazy, crazy fast movement here in the markets. Let's see if we get this weakness below 918s. Watching here. That was so fast too. We tried to, the moment we clicked that cover button, we had one of the biggest bounces I've seen here. So we are stopped out there on the rest. So that brings us from being in the positive to now down $488. So a little bit of give back there. Tricky because we had that cover just rested there and the market completely reversed right there on our cover. So looking for our next setup here. Very, very strong off those lows. Did anybody catch the bounce off those lows? That was insane how fast that thing went. So watching here, if we have any failures, big bounce from everything in the Mag 7 over here. Big bounce. Was looking for a cover back down into 895. So we're at the cresting tops here. We have room all the way up to 960 if we wanted to try to get this breakout trade from these tops here. Watching NVIDIA, big bounce off of the S&P VWAP there. Google's still the weakest of the bunch. Apple is not holding up very well at all. Watching here on this potential rejection. Up here again at 940s. We have room all the way up to 960 3/4. So seeing if we're going to get that auction all the way back up to that level and a potential reject for the way down. Boy, I can't believe how hard we rejected into that potential 900 drop there. That was insane. Trying to cover that there. All right, let's see if we have any weakness. Back up towards these 40s. These sessions have been quite whippy and quite wild, especially off the open there. All right, watching this for a potential breakdown of this area. See if we can get, wow, look at that. Wow, this price action is insane right now. It is extremely, extremely whippy and wild. Google is really the only one that's fading super hard here. NVIDIA couldn't really make up its mind. We're running into the VWAP here on the NQ. I want to be a little bit patient here, waiting for our next entry. Trying to time this appropriately, of course. Big rejection up there. Can we get through these 30s? Right now, that's kind of like the volume shelf that we're holding here. Just kind of chopping around these 30s. We might have to get scalpy on this type of range if we do want to trade this. We are rejecting under the VWAP right now in the S&Ps. But Nazi's still strong. Tesla's off to the races. Meta is super, super strong. Microsoft is finally failing a little bit here. So can we get a flush of weakness below these 40s is kind of the question. I'm going to try to get filled here on the offer. Filled 3 on the offer there. Filling 3 short. I want to see this weakness persisting under these 40s here. I want to add into this for a 30 flush. We do see that. Looking here, NVIDIA's rejecting off the VWAP. I'm going to try for this 30 flush. See if we get this to hold or if we get these massive bounces. This is where it becomes really, really tricky trying to time these ads. And my rhythmic is lagging just a touch here. Let's see if we can get through this. I'm lagging about 3.5 seconds. Still looking good here. Can we break down this volume shelf? Because if we do, we have room back down towards those 900s again. That's what I'm watching for on this trade. So can we break down these 30s? Microsoft coming back down as well. Yeah, massive gap for sure. I'm seeing that as well. Watching here at these 40s. Do we have weakness into these 40s that I can short into? Totally big lag here on my rhythmic, by the way. Huge lag. Anybody else getting rhythmic lag? It's saying that I'm lagging 9 seconds here. That doesn't seem right. We're just touching on these 40s here. Big lag. Okay, so it's not just me. Huge lag, right? I wonder if it's just across the board. Trade-Evate lag too. Interesting. So this becomes even riskier. So I'm going to add into that. 9 contracts looking for this flush to the downside now. Let's see this flush through the 40s, or 30s rather. Wow, this lag is incredible right now. What is going on here, folks? See what's going on here. If we can get this flush below the 30s. Boy, this is difficult to trade with this much lag, isn't it? It's like stop and go right now. Is it like the whole market is just completely lagging? Not really sure what's going on here. Good golly. Might have to just put a cover here. Down at like 30 3/4. Let's see. See if I can get this fill here. And I got filled. Hey, look at that. I don't even see the price action hit it and I got filled. I'm not even kidding. I got filled there. Look at that. So we're back at the profit, $162. Wow, that's weird. What the heck is going on? Did you folks see that? I put in an order and it instantly got filled. Did anybody else see that? That was insane. That was so wild. So I have no idea what the actual price is, right? I have no idea. Well, I'm trying to bring back up the YouTube chat here. I had it minimized. The market faded there. I lost 400 just like that. Yeah, so I'm not seeing any of this. Right now, I have a 39-second lag on my book map. My mobile rhythmic is lagging. It's lagging bad. What's the real price? Does anybody know what the real price is? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there's the flush. Hey, now I'm seeing the flush and way late. Hey, well, I'm hands off. I'm hands off. We're back in the profit. We got lucky. I'll say that right there. We got lucky, folks. Back at the profit. Amazing. Incredible. Even dealing with that lag. That's incredible, right? Germany works. Yeah. I mean, this is crazy. I'm like, I'm kind of fixing that. I want to restart my book map here and see if that helps me. But my Ninja Trader's lagging too, because I'm getting like, I don't know if you folks can see, but I have 29. Let me see on Trade-Evate. Are we being hacked right now? Wait, hold on. Is that real? Hold on. Is this the real price? No, because I got filled. Wait. Yeah, weird. Yeah, this is crazy stuff here, folks. Be careful out there. Be careful. Somehow, some way, we made it back into the profit after being down $400. Book map is lagging on Thinkorswim too. Okay. Are they attacking Clubhouse? It's the Goldman market makers. They're attacking us, folks. You got to watch out for those dastardly market makers. You know what you do when the market makers are busting up your stream? You crack open a nice cold beer. No, I'm just kidding. This is a Celsius here. Crack open a cold one. ICT said the market makers. Just wait for it. No, I'm not going to do it. 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 Come on, Rips. You got this. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Do you like matcha drinks? Yeah, matcha. Matcha's great. I have a 61-second lag on my book map. I'm going to try restarting my book map here, folks. Oh, minor error, minor error. Okay. Oh my goodness. Minor error, minor error. Yeah, I'm just going to... Let's get book map popping again here. Crazy world where we're living in, folks. Did you see the video I sent you on Celsius? Where'd you send it to me? I didn't get anything. My rhythmic delay is around 60 seconds right now, flashing on bookmap. Yeah, that's what I had too. What's the real price? Does anybody know? Is this the real price of NQ? Look at that. I mean, if we actually got filled right there, we are just so lucky. Look at that. I put in an order. Look at rhythmic can't even connect. You can see that right above my dome. My domicile. Weird opening or no range. Something's happening. Something's happening. It's somebody's doing something. We're trading 22s now, by the way, on Trade-Evate, or I'm sorry, on TradingView. And my rhythmic on Ninja Trader says, boy, see, this is when you'd not want to be owning a prop firm, because imagine the support tickets that you're going to get for your prop firm today. Yikes. Big yikes. First loss on my PA. Everybody should be out of the market right now. Everybody just get out of the market right now. Seriously. Just, this is not normal. Okay. When we traded options in the Clubhouse, we had something similar happen where the SIBO totally, it was, oh my gosh, it was so scary. I could have had like a 30,000 losing day. I think I ended up profitable on that day somehow, some way, but stay out of the markets, folks. Please stay out of the markets, okay? I'm connected directly. I don't use our Trader Pro. But you can see right here, Rhythmic's having issues. So please stop trading. Not worth it. You remember that trader page? Yeah, that's right. Casey says, no way I'm on a winner. You are now, maybe. But maybe when you catch up to the present, that it won't be. I'm just saying. This is crazy. Wild and crazy kids out there. Go for Top Step X. Love it. Is Top Step X working well right now? Quant Tower's fine. Okay. Restarted and can't get in. Ninja is way off. Yep. Be careful, folks. Top Step X is working fine. Okay. 20 points lag on Ninja. Yikes. Well, hey, I'm happy that we got filled on that trade there. I'm very, very excited that we got filled on that trade. We got lucky. This flavor, somebody was asking, this is right here. Raspberry peach. One of my new favorite flavors. It's incredible. Is Tradovate lagging for everybody? This is crazy. I wonder if somebody is actually hacking the markets. Somebody's attacking like a DDoS attack on the backbone of the markets. That's what I always think about when this kind of stuff happens. Tradovate is fine. Okay. Wait, when somebody says it's lagging. Tops of Rhythmic is also okay. It's not for me. So Ninja's good. I could try to connect and reconnect. Let's try that. Let's see. Let's have a gander, shall we? Let's see. I'm probably not going to get back on, but let's see. Disconnect, reconnect. Let's see. Rips, remind everyone that TopStep has a Discord channel that they can get in and request and get flat. Oh, there you go. Liquid flows. Yes, discord.gg/TopStep. There you go. CQG and TopStep X are working fine. Good to know. I would still be out because you're missing out on a lot of traders on Rhythmic. You're going to be missing out. How do you connect without our Trader Pro? Okay, since we have a lull in the market, it's this right here. Let me show you. So right here, this box where it says plugin mode for market data, just have that box unchecked in NinjaTrader or in Bookmap or whatever you're using, wherever you see plugin mode for market data, uncheck that box. Don't launch our Trader Pro and just launch NinjaTrader and it'll log right in. Yeah, folks, I would be staying far away from this market right now. I mean, this is your test of discipline right now. If you're sitting there like, I need to trade. My hair keeps falling out of place when I do that. Okay, there we go. But yes, if you do want to trade right now, this is your test of discipline. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? I do have ears. Do not trade right now. Do not trade right now. Please. Jared says they're going to jump on the bike later. All good luck. Thanks, Jared. Do you have to have your own Ninja to do that? No. You can have the free one from TopStep. They give you a free license. I mean, I'm looking at my equities over here and everything is lagging. I mean, let me go to a 10-second chart. Let me just make sure. I mean, things aren't moving. Tesla's flushing, actually. Yeah, well, that's a lie. Things are moving. But, I mean, now look at that. Now NQ's starting to wake up a little bit. I'm not hearing any squawks about any kind of network troubles or issues, so take that as you will. Quant Tower's fine for me. Okay. It's just me. I know the market makers target me all the time. What can I say? What can I say? TSX is 17,905. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now too. So, hey, it is what it is. Hey, at least we got out of the red. We got out of the green, right? Hey, at least we got that. But by golly, I wanted to get that position down here when we tried to cover. Oh man, when we tried to cover right down there, the moment I clicked the buy bid button, could have just clicked close. Come on, you knucklehead. Tried to buy bid and it bounced right out. That was an insane bounce, by the way. What was that? 900 all the way up to 40 point bounce. Welcome to the opening, right? Quant Tower froze. Good thing I already hit max profit. Hey, give it up for Jonathan. Max profit. There you go. Thinkorswim has NQ right at 900. We're at 912 on TradingView. So who knows? Who knows what the real price is? Maybe the market makers are doing something extra nefarious right now. They're matching orders that you're not meant to see. Everything's a dark pool as we speak. Oh, goodness. 914. Yeah, I got 911 on mine. 912 and a quarter. Hey, whatever. My NQ is frozen on NT, but the ES and YM are working. Somebody broke the NQ. I think it was all of us. Too much winning out there. Actually went over 700 over profit target. What happens? You need to, so there's commissions, right? So all you need to do is just go buy market, sell market, buy market, sell market, buy market, sell market. Do it with one contract, and that will slowly drain your P&L little bit by little bit. Again, I'm still not seeing any kind of squawks that are suggesting that the whole world should be broken right now. Thank goodness we don't have a newsprint at like a very important newsprint at 10. Can't log into my top step, just shows the yellow light. Same. That's what I'm dealing with right now. That's why it says you're currently disconnected. If your bookmap is having issues connecting, just close it because it's draining computer resources trying to connect. Okay. Let me try that. See if that makes my charts move any faster. Maybe. Is that balloon still floating over the US? Oh, goodness. Could be. Could be. The Rips t-shirt release broke the NQ. Don't tell anybody. You folks understand. I'm going to sell two t-shirts. And then after I finish selling those, you'll never see me again because that's how this works. I will become richer than Jeff Bezos himself by selling two t-shirts. As according to most of the trolls out there who can't do simple math. Wow, we are flushing here. I wish I would have still had my short. Would have been nice. Would have been up some money. West Coast grid issue, is it real? Is that true? Rips, you take all the NQ from the market. Yeah, we traded it too hard today, folks. That's the reality of the situation. I wish I was in this flush. This is crazy right now. This is nuts. Yeah, I'm seeing 888 as well, OEB. I'm seeing the same thing. It's crazy town. At least we got to do our giveaways, right? We got to do our giveaways. We should all get 1K credits in an account. Yeah, tell them to put that in my live account, Austin, while we're at it. Nothing's working. I can't believe I'm not hearing any kind of news. There's not a single squawk about anything of what's going on. Usually there's something. But this is like so, I mean, this is honestly weird. Charles is raging. Don't worry about it, Charles. Let it go. Let it go. Hopefully it'll be working soon. It can't be down forever. I mean, let's see. I'm going to search Twitter here. Rhythmic. Latest. Rhythmic is garbage today on prop firms. Rhythmic is F today. I got robbed. Everybody's so mad. Rhythmic is a nightmare. Everybody's so mad right now. Wait, can I log into my live account? Let's see. Try to log into my live account right now. Let's see. I can get my live account. No trades are on, thank goodness. What if it had like a phantom order? Oh, I always get anxiety about that. Okay, so we're trading. I mean, it's a little bit lagged on Trading versus, I mean, I can log into the real Rhythmic server. Interesting. So I can log into my real money account, but I can't log into the prop firm account. Is it a sign? Should we trade real money? No, I'm kidding. Never. I would never trade under these conditions. Do it, Rips. Not going to happen. Oh, goodness. Let's see if we can get into Rhythmic on Bookmap again. Trying again here. Let's see. Good golly, that was the perfect flush through 918 that we're looking at in that flush below 900. We're just a little bit too early. Story of my life lately. Good golly, that was the short we were looking for. Oh, well. Good thing it was only a combo. I'd be pretty upset if I was like trading 15 lots in my live account and we were going to nail that flush from the 60s. Oh, I'd be so upset. Because that would be like, you know, like $15,000 trade. We are going down here, right down to our level. This is not fun, folks. This isn't as fun as I wanted it to be. Maybe some problems come from Top Step. They have issues with Trader before. Not with Rhythmic, not with Ninja Trader. No, not like this. Everything else for some reason looks like, yeah, look at that gap, right? Everything else looks like it's moving in slow motion. Let me see here. I'm going to try to connect to my live account. I'm not going to trade it. Just going to try to connect to my live account on Ninja Trader, see if we can get an update in price. Let's see. Very convenient when the prop firms get smoked. I mean, not really. I mean, it's a nice short. I would have loved to have this short. I'd be snapping necks and cashing checks with this price action right now. I tell you. I looked for that short. God, that was such a good entry too. I was in from the 35s. I would have been a 50 handle winner on, what did we have? 6 lots? Come on. Guaranteed says, I've never been this relaxed in the first 30 minutes of trading. Amen. What's crazy is like, so I can get on Rhythmic on my phone, but I can't get on a Ninja Trader? Come on, Ninja. What are you doing to me? No go Ninja or R Trader Pro. Yeah, no go for me either. I can't even connect on my real money account. It's crazy. It's nuts. Rhythmic is down. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of people saying Rhythmic is down. Very, very interesting stuff here. I wonder. Sierra chart has no problems. What's the price you're seeing? You're seeing triple eights? And then Q, nothing like being forced to sit out. I guess I'll go do something boring like make breakfast. You got it, Astro Nerd. Angus logged off Ninja. Now it won't reconnect either. Yeah, same. Trying to lose, but it makes it worse. Very simple. Again, venture steps. Very simple. Buy market, sell market as fast as you can. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That will rack up commissions. It'll bring your score lower. That's all you got to do. Very, very simple. Don't try to trade and Rhythmic is working through Bookmap. I'm trying. You can see it up there. It's not working for me. I can't get it. Yes, Big Daddy. It is due to the issue. Got my PA accounts positive, so green streak. There you go, Salzy. You are living on the edge today. I love that, though. Good for you. Nice trading. You can try Europe Gateway instead of Chicago. Yeah. You know what? I mean, this is the market gods telling me not to trade. Who said go long, by the way? That's a prescient call. We're up about 20 points from that call. Nice work. Up 7:30 today. Done for the day. Nice work there, Gabriel. My Bookmap is not connecting either. Have you tried plugging it out and plugging it back? Yeah, I got to do that. Just press the reset button there. But hey, at least we had some fun today, right? We got back in the green somehow, some way. We got robbed on the price action because that was a nice move to the downside that we could have got. We got robbed because we didn't get that cover. I mean, that's part of trading, though. I can't wait until that plugin is completed for Ninja Trader where I can use my Stream Deck hotkeys because it'll be so much faster because I still have the bandwidth of me clicking right now. Does anybody have any questions about any of the trades that I took this morning? Anybody in the YouTube chat? Anybody in the Discord, since we aren't taking any trades here? First time for you, Zeus? Yeah, the first time for everything, right? So Microsoft is coming down, Google coming down, NVIDIA can't hold it up. I mean, it's looking like a beautiful down day today. Apple's giving it up. Oh, yeah, I'd love to be short from where I was in the 35s. That would have been delicious. Why is Trade of 8 moving lower? Because I think the market is lowering. What time frame am I trading? So that over there is a 30-second chart, but I don't trade on a 30-second chart. I trade on a 5-minute chart and a 15-minute chart in Bookmap. I use a 15-minute chart up over here. I got a 5-minute chart right here. And then 30-second chart is just for the stream, so you can see each one of my gorgeous, gorgeous executions here. You can see how beautifully we added into that flush, and then we tried to cover right there, and it just went, nope, see ya. Everybody chased the price. What time do I start trading? At 8 o'clock Eastern time, every single day here on YouTube. We missed great trades, Ribs. Yeah, it's okay. It happens. It's okay. It's okay. Definitely been reported to Top Step. I feel so bad for Top Step customer support right now. It's got to be insane. I mean, let's see what Top Step TV is saying about it. Let's see here. Let's tune in. See what they're saying here. There's Top Step TV. Can you guys hear that? I guess I can say what they're saying for you. Rips is the greatest trader we've ever seen. He's the best. No. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there. we do when we can't trade. If you want a job at Top Step, today could be your day. Yeah, offer to do tech support for them, I guess. I don't know. Well, I don't know, folks. You know, we might just have to go do the giveaway in Discord. I think that's what we should do. I'm giving this a fair chance here, but this is crazy. What's crazy, the S&P is like lockstep, like dead in the middle, and it's like, it's crazy. Oh, yeah. Trade Evade's down now. Oh, my goodness. Peeps on Top Step TV are also saying Rhythmic isn't working. No, I don't have FOMO. I'm just, I wanted to put on a nice show today. I wanted to have some fun trades. I was looking forward to putting on a nice show for everybody. What's your Discord? Here, let me post that in chat. Any other questions, folks, in the YouTube before I go? Because I'm just going to go skitter on over to the Discord. And we'll do our wrap session in there. We'll talk about how annoying it is that we can't trade. But we're giving away another combine there. I'm giving this a fighting chance, though. What's the indicator that you have on bottom and top line of the screen? Hourly high, hourly low. Trade Evade is working fine. Big Daddy says, sorry for the noob question. I'm new to NinjaTrader. This issue sucks on day 3 of testing an automatic trading bot that I've been working on, currently halfway to passing a 150K combine. Congrats. Just, just wait. Just be patient. I know it's frustrating for everybody, but be patient. Be patient. Their chat is just rhythmic, but they're doing the show. True champs. Yeah. Top Step X is working. There you go. Yeah, looking over here. Nothing doing. I can't even connect to my Top Step Live funded account. So, yeah, that's going to be it, folks. That's going to be it for the YouTube stream. I do appreciate everybody tuning in. We are locking up with does anybody have a good number for an accountant that can handle large balances? Because we're locking up here up $162.40. So if anybody has the name of an accountant that handles large balances on prop firms, please have them get in touch with me, because I got to find a way to move this type of account. This cash is insane. So, all right, folks, locking it up here on YouTube. I will see everybody bright and early. Well, actually, I'll see you folks on Top Step TV later on. I'll see you folks on Top Step TV at, what time is that going to be? 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2 p.m. Eastern time. All right? Join me over there. And then if I don't see you, join me again tomorrow here on my YouTube channel at 8 a.m. Eastern time. And we'll trade together again. And hopefully we won't have the whole world exploding on us. And hopefully we get the opportunity to trade together. All right, everybody. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Congratulations to all of our winners today. Those coupon codes will be going out to you shortly. Take care, and we'll see you soon. And folks in Discord, don't go anywhere.